Everyone, in this video we will learn how to solve sums based on the expansion of this formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. This is equal to a raised to 3, that is a cube, plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Let us study some examples based on the given expansion formula. Based on the expansion formula, we'll be solving these sums, that is k plus 4 the whole raised to 3. In order to solve this sum, first we'll write down the formula. We'll write down the formula here before we solve the sum. So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. The given example, a is equal to k and b is equal to 4. We'll write down the therefore k plus 4 raised to 3 is equal to a cube, that is k raised to 3 plus 3a square, that is k square, b is 4, so multiply this by 4, plus 3 into a, that is k, into b square, that is 4 square, plus b cube, that is 4 cube. Now we'll open the bracket. K raised to 3 will give you k cube plus, first we'll open the bracket, that is 3 into k square into 4 plus 3 into k into 4 square, that is 4 into 4 will give you 16. This is another example. The second question will be solving using the same expansion formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. Your a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 8y. We'll write down the question. Once you know the formula, it is very easy for you all to solve. So a cube, that is equal to 7 into x raised to 3, 3a square, that is 7a square into b, that is 8y, plus 3 into a, that is 7x, into b square, that is 8y whole square. There is no space, I'll be writing down the further part, that is b cube 8y the whole raised to 3. Now we are done with writing all the numbers. Now we'll open the bracket. We'll multiply. The cube of 7 is 343, and the cube of x, that is x cube. That means the overall cube, that is of this number 7x, is 343x raised to 3. We'll first open the bracket so that it will be easier for you all. You can then later on multiply it, or you can multiply together over here itself. 7 sevens will give you 49. Here the index is 3, so you're supposed to find the cube of this number. Here the index is 2, so you're supposed to find out the square of this number. So 7a, the square of 7a will give you 49a square. Next, we'll keep this as it is as of now. We'll find out the square of this number 8y. The square of 8 is 64, that is 8 8s are 64, and the square of y is y square. Last part, that is the cube of this number 8y is equal to 512y cube. The only part which is remaining in this sum is now to multiply these numbers to find the product of these numbers. So let us write down. We'll write it down as it is. So you're supposed to multiply this number 3 multiplied by 49a square multiplied by 8y. The answer that you will be getting is 1176x square y. This is the answer. So this number you will get after multiplying this number. The last part, that is 512 cube. This is the final answer. So one more sum we'll be solving from the same practice set, sixth one. This is a different kind of question. Though the steps are same, the only difference is here we have a fraction in this. So no need to worry about this. We'll be using the same formula since it is in the same form. That is a plus b the whole cube. We'll write down a as x and b as 1 by x. The only difference is here we have fraction, that's it. Rest the steps for the whole sum remains the same. As you can see, I have written the same formula. Let us substitute the values. A is x, so we'll write it down as x cube. A square, that is 3 multiplied by square into b, that is 1 by x. As you can see, it's very simple. I am writing in the same way the value of a as it is and the value of b. 3 multiplied by a, that is x, multiplied by b square, that is 1 by x, the whole raised to 2. It is very important to put these numbers into bracket. So in the next step, we'll open the bracket and find out the square of these numbers, plus last step b cube, that is the cube of this fraction. Okay, see, I have written. So now we'll open the bracket. X raised to 3 will give you x cube plus 3 into x square multiplied by 1 by x plus 3 into x. The square of this number will be, the square of 1 is 1, so we'll be writing here 1 as it is. The square of x is x square. Again we'll repeat the same steps over here. The square of the cube of 1 is 1 and the cube of x will give you x cube. Now the last step, x cube plus, since here we have 2x, that is, say for example if I write here x into x, this is same as x square. So if we eliminate this 1x from the denominator and 1x from the numerator, we are left with only 1x. So we are left with 1x in the numerator, so we'll be writing it this as 3 into x plus, because 3 ones are will give you 3, so I have written directly over here 3 and into x plus 3 into, again we'll repeat the same steps, but here we have 2x in the denominator, that is, say for example x into x. X into x is equal to x square. So if we eliminate this 1x from the numerator and 1x from the denominator, we are left with only 1x. So here we'll get 3 into 1 by x. Since 1x in the denominator, so I've written here in the denominator itself. So 1 on x raised to 3. Don't worry about this. This is just for the explanation part. No need to write it down. The final answer is 3 by x will give you 3x. 3 ones are 3x. So this is the final answer. Now we will learn how to expand numbers using the same formula. So in order to convert this into a plus b the whole cube in this form, we'll write it down. We can write it down 52 as 50 plus 2 the whole raised to 3. So this is how we converted this into the expansion formula form. Now we'll write down the formula over here. That is a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. Again, the same formula we are using for each and every question because they are in the same form. We'll write down the question. Again the steps remains the same. Here a is equal to 50 and b is 2. So we'll write it down. A square b plus 3 a into b square, so b cube, that is 2. Now we'll open the bracket. The cube of 50 is equal to 125 plus the square of 50 is, so we'll write it down here as it is. The square of 50 will be 2500, 2 plus multiply by 50. The square of 2 is 4 and the last number, that is the cube of 2, will give you 8. Now in this, since all are numbers, so what we'll do first, we'll multiply this. Multiply these 3 numbers, we will get 15,000. Multiply these 3 numbers, answer will be 608. Now add all the numbers together, answer is, so this is how you expand a given number. So whichever the number is, if you want to use this formula, is supposed to expand in this form. Say for example here the question, another question, if it is say for example 101, so you will expand this as 100 plus 1 and you will follow the same steps for solving this sum.